Nanoengineers have developed COVID-19 vaccine candidates from plants or bacteria. They are also fridge-free, they do not need to be stored at extremely low temperatures. The vaccines are still in the early stage of development, the University of California, San Diego said in a press release. The researchers created two vaccine candidates. One is made from a plant virus called cowpea mosaic virus. The other is made from a bacterial virus or bacteriophage called cubata. The researchers harvested these nanoparticles and then attached a small piece of the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein to the surface.